waiting for. It's time to reveal a secret surprise. Are you ready? BB-8? R2? BB-9? Presenting your newest droid. Is R2Q5 app-enabled droid. Like it, huh? Like it? He's sweet, just like you, R2. But he's got different lights and sound effects. But we're gonna open it now, and then he's in deep sleep mode. But don't worry, you can play with him later, after he's been charged. So let's open R2Q5. Oh dear. Here we go. Here's a box. Here's a box. And now we're gonna take off the sticky tape. I'm gonna show you how to unbox R2Q5. Now how is it? Here we go. That's one. On. See, because that is very sticky. Wait a minute. Here we go. Now, turn it over, and you have to do this by yourself. Only an adult do this, but you have to be very careful. Okay, time reveal to see R2Q5. Slowly. Do not shake, otherwise the droid will fail. And look at that! Look at this, he's cute. He's cute. And he's shiny as well. Wow. So sweet. What is this else in there? Ooh. Here's a guide. A guide. No, is it? It's a legal guide. A legal guide? Anything more? Any USB to charge him? Right. Here is the charging cable. So now, all we have to do is charge him in a socket, in a charging cable socket. And then we charge him and come alive. But we have to put in charge for another. Let me see. It says here on the back 1 hour charge. So for 1 hour charge, it should be green. And R2Q5 come and play with R2D2, BB-8 and BB-9E. And having fun together. Forever. Right. Wow, R2D2 seems like R2Q5. Look, it's shiny. Hello, R2Q5. What do you want to play? After 1 hour charge, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for new droid, R2Q5. Wow. I'm really excited now in this video. This droid is so amazing, so shiny, detailed, black and golden. Wow. Let's put in the charging cable inside my room. Or my mom's room. Different lights and sound effects. So this time, they're gonna put in deep sleep mode. Take these off, that's my phones. This one's for R2Q5. R2Q5 will play with other droids. So, look at that! He's in deep sleep mode. Wow, he's starting to wake up soon. Yep, if you see that orange light, yeah, that means he's charging. Green and blue on the back, and red and orange on the front dome. Let's leave him charge until it's green light on the back when it's charging. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tomorrow, R2Q5 will play with other droids. So, I'll see you tomorrow, I think. Bye! Say goodbye, R2Q5. I know. I remember. He's deep sleeping.